It's incredible to see how much has changed over the last 50, 60 years. When I was really quite young, I do remember going with Mum to the local shops, because of course there were no supermarkets then. We went shopping with the same bags or the same boxes all the time. We'd go into the fishmonger and we'd get the piece of fish that we wanted. Mum was very fussy about which piece of fish she'd want, and he would know. How I used to experience shopping and what I experience now, that's a huge change. I mean, I shop online.
The world is changing fast. Towns, cities, and entire populations are rapidly transforming, and growth in the use of digital technology is revolutionising the way we shop and live. We want to buy products that are tailored for us, whenever we want them, wherever we want them, but with less impact on the world around us. To stay ahead, we need to address some of the fundamental challenges faced by our societies and the world at large. There's a need for a new approach to packaging and for strong leadership in our industry. That's why our purpose at DS Smith is to redefine packaging for a changing world. And that means developing the right strategies that will help us better meet the needs of our customers and the environment around us. Thinking differently, from our impact centres to our plants and offices, we are all committed to finding new, innovative ways of achieving more from less. Innovating together. At DS Smith, we are inventors. Part of adapting to this changing world means that we can no longer simply just be a packaging business. With programs such as Made to Fit, we are using the latest technology to truly redefine packaging, putting sustainability at the heart of everything we do. It's in our DNA. We make, use, collect and recycle cardboard packaging, all within 14 days, which is why our vision is to be the leading supplier of sustainable packaging solutions.
I'm terribly proud of what my uncles and my grandparents started, and I'm so thrilled to see a company have a vision of how important it is that there is a sustainability in the use of the products, and that they are thinking about it so carefully and thoughtfully. I just don't think it gets better than that.